Hello everyone. Welcome to the How to Make a Payment for a DOB Now filing tutorial. Today, we will walk through a brief overview of how to pay for your filings for DOB Now Build and DOB Now Safety. While the process is very similar for both DOB Now Build and DOB Now Safety, there are some differences that I will highlight as we walk through the process. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the DOB Now Industry Portal as shown. Log in using your email address and password and click Login. On the selection screen, move your mouse over either the Build or Safety icon depending on your filing type. For this demo, select Build. For the purposes of this example, we have created a filing that is ready to pay. Under the Payment Status column, the display displays in red as Payment is Due. Keep in mind that you can pay at any time as long as the required information has been entered into the filing. Double-click the filing to open it, and then click OK. Scroll down and click on the Pay Now button. When the pop-up appears, click Yes. Clicking Pay Now for boilers and facades are a little bit different. Let's have a look at facades now. For facades, you will see a Confirm button instead of Yes. Let's have a look at boilers. For boilers, you will see a summary window where you need to click Pay a second time. And then hit Confirm. Now we'll continue to pay by hitting the Pay Now button. And then we'll hit Yes. If you are notified by your browser to disable pop-up blockers, please do so. Note that there are two options to pay, e-check and credit card. For this example, we'll use the credit card process. The differences between the two payment methods will be noted as we walk through the process. Click the credit card button. Enter your billing information. Keep the following in mind. Your first and last name must be at least 2 characters with no special characters. Your zip code may either be 5 or 9 digits, and your phone number must be 10 digits. Click Continue. Click Next to continue. For a credit card, fill in your credit card information. Should you determine that you need to update your billing information, click the Back button, and then click Back once more. The system will default to the e-check tab. Simply click the credit card button and update any necessary information. Now let's switch over to e-check to see how it differs. For e-check, you can select either personal or business. For this example, we'll select personal. Enter your bank account information, routing number, and choose whether you're using a checking or savings account. Now we'll switch back to the credit card screen. For the payment method, enter your credit card information. Click Next to continue. If everything looks correct, click the Pay Now button to pay. Once your payment is processed, a receipt will display. To print the receipt for your records, click the Print button. Additionally, a copy of your receipt will be sent to the email address you provided. When you are ready, close the Receipt tab at the top of your browser. And finally, click OK. Your amount due should now read 0. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.nyc.gov/DOB Now info.